Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this Stihl FS56. It's a really old curve shaft weeder, and what I did was the fuel line was broken, so I installed new fuel line, put a new filter in it. I soaked the carburetor, and it started pulling fuel. So I thought we were good, but it is still not. It's still not going. Everything else, I got the throttle and everything to work, but it's still not working. So I got a new carburetor kit from Amazon, of course, because the gasket kit for this, because I think it's what it is with the gasket, is they're so stiff, they're not actually working right, even though I got the fuel to flow. So basically I got a new kit. Alright, so here's the kit, and this one comes with a new carburetor. I got another one and two filters, which I need, and these are the right size. Okay, new fuel line, which I don't need because I already installed it, but basically this carburetor, which does not have a primer bulb, so which kind of made it kind of interesting, to say the least. But this is actually the right model. This I had a hard time because there was nothing on the Walbro carburetor that was in there, but this is a Walbro WT45 series carburetor I ended up figuring out. And so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this, and we're going to see how it works out. Okay, so the first thing to do is take off those two screws, and let's get going. So get the two screws out of the way, then you can take the cover off. Then after the cover, you have that filter media. Just get a pick or something, and like I said, the new ones are exact match, so that's nice. And then we have the large, what is that, a T25, to get the cover out of the way for the carb, and then that should free up the carburetor as far as that goes. So okay. And then basically this, this one just comes off like so, and it's a new fuel line, so it's actually more pliable. Obviously, the other one, like I said, was very stiff. Oopsie, lost it. Okay, there's the carburetor. There's the gasket. Here's the new carburetor. Okay, same thing. This goes on basically over the wire and hooks inside there. Then the fuel line goes in here like so, and then I gotta get a new gasket that it comes with. There we go, got the gasket, and then we're gonna mount it, and then we're gonna give it a go and see if it actually starts. Okay, and if it draws fuel. So let's see. They look identical, and it's this one because it's got to pull that pump sensor on the bottom right here. See that hole right there? So that's the one. Let's get this throttle back on, and then, all right, just tightening it up with that new gasket on the bottom. Again, don't go cuckoo crazy. Got the fuel line in there. That's good. And then we're gonna get that new choke lever on, and it should be keyed one way. There we go. Okay, and then get it on, and then that's open, choke, open, choke. Let's choke it and see what happens now. Okay, see if I pull fuel. There we go. It's gonna start. And that should do it. Okay, so now I know it works. Okay, it starts, it runs, we gotta get it fine-tuned, and then that's it. So hey, the carburetor was what the problem was. So we'll get like I said, we'll get the idle set, we'll get the high-low set, and then we'll get it back to the owner. So thank you again for joining.